Welcome you all. Today's topic is water cement ratio. Let us see here. In this video, we will discuss about the definition of water cement ratio, how we calculate the quantity of water. Okay, see here. Water cement ratio. So, what is water cement ratio? Water cement ratio is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of cement used in concrete mix. Okay, how much weight of water we are going to use to mix the cement? That is nothing but that means the ratio of weight of water to the weight of cement used in concrete mix. So what are the ingredients in concrete? Cement, sand, water, aggregates. Okay, so for that, water cement ratio is nothing but weight of water to the weight of cement. See here, water cement ratio varies from 0.35 to 0.70 depend on exposure conditions. Okay, it may change various values. There is no constant value for water cement ratio. It depends on the exposure conditions. If water cement ratio is less than 0.4, complete hydration will not be secured. So that means water cement ratio should not be less than 0.4. So otherwise you should not get complete hydration. Next. How to calculate water quantity for concrete? See here. Some practical value of water cement ratio for structural reinforced concrete is 0.45 for 1:1:2 mixed proportion of concrete, 0.50 for 1:1.5:3 mixed proportion of concrete, 0.5 to 0.6 for 1:2:4 mixed proportion of concrete. These are practical values from IS 456-2000 code book. So concrete vibrated by efficient mechanical vibrators required less water cement ratio and hence more strength. So that means water cement ratio and strength is inversely proportional. So water cement ratio is more, strength will be less. If water cement ratio is less, strength will be more. Okay, next. If we need to calculate water quantity for concrete, first find the cement content for the volume. Okay, let us assume required cement volume as 50 kg. So 50 kg of cement we need to require. So required amount of water. The required amount of water, how to calculate the required amount of water is water cement ratio into cement volume. So water cement ratio is how much? 0.50 into 50. That means 25 liters. We have to use the water for mixing. See here, 25 liter water required for cement bag of 50 kg. That means 50 kg of cement. How much water required for mixing of 50 kg bag cement? 25 liters. For design mix, water cement ratio depend on the workability strength requirements. So workability is, so water cement ratio mainly depend on the workability strength requirement. Okay, next. So by using thumb rule, we can calculate the quantity of water in concrete also. As well as we need to calculate the weight of water by using this formula. 30% weight of cement plus 5% weight of total aggregate. So using this equation, we can solve the weight of water. That means so we can calculate the weight of water. Okay. This is all about the water cement ratio. సో ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మా ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడంతో పాటు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. దాని ద్వారా మేము చేసే వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్గా రావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ వీడియోకి సంబంధించి ఏదైనా సజెషన్స్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటే మీ వాల్యుబుల్ సజెషన్స్ని మాకు కామెంట్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.